Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to deactivate your Instagram account. So you launch the Instagram app, then you visit your profile by clicking on the profile button at the bottom right corner, then you click on the menu button at the top right corner. All right, then you're going to find settings and privacy, then you click on it. Next, you click on account center, then you click on personal details, then you click on account ownership and control. This is where you'll be able to deactivate your Instagram account. Next, you click on deactivation or deletion, then you select the Instagram account. This will take you to a page where you'll be able to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. So you select the deactivate account, then you click on continue. Then you input your password. After that, then you hit the continue button to deactivate your Instagram account. So see you guys, subscribe for more.